Hi, welcome back to Drawing with Daisy. Today we are going to be doing pets. So for this I wanted to do a more exotic animal and a more not exotic animal as pets. So I will be drawing a Golden Retriever with a blue macaw. So as always, we're starting out at the base and just working our way through the art piece with different shapes and sizes and shading and everything. So I'm gonna start off with the Goldie because he's like the bigger animal here, and we're going to perch his little bird friend right on top of his nose, just like that. And as you can see here, I'm kind of making a leaf shape for the body of the parrot, and then going in and drawing a little box for the feet. Now that we have this done, we're going to start with the Goldie. I'm going to start by making his nose, just the outline and shape of his nose. I'm not going to fill it in yet because of course we have to add the parrot's feet, but now I'm going to go in and I'm going to draw a little smile because he's happy to have his parrot friend. And of course I'm going to go in and add the cute puppy dog eyes that everyone knows and loves about a Golden Retriever. Little fact about Golden Retrievers is that they are great therapy dogs, and most schools actually would rather use a Goldie than any other dog because they love the attention, and they're just easier to work with because they thrive off of socialization and being around people and being in contact with people, and they're just known as happier dogs anyway. So yeah. Golden Retrievers can actually grow to be almost the size of a Mastiff as well. Very crazy, not gonna lie. But yeah. Now I'm gonna go up here and I'm gonna give this macaw a little face. And I'm gonna give him his tail and his body and his feet and his wings. And I'm going to have his eyes closed in a happy way, and I'm going to give him rosy cheeks. And then in the next part, we will color him. Okay, so next I'm going to start by filling in any dark spots with the graphite pencil. So just like a little bit on the retriever's snout and bottom lip. And then after that, I'm going to go in with a light yellow and shade in any place that I feel I need to. And of course, this doesn't have to be perfect yet because we are going to also be filling it in with a darker canary yellow, just to give it a little extra shading. Once you have that done, this is just basic shading. It's nothing too hard or anything. And then after that, we're going to go in and make his little outlines of what the retriever would look like. So I'm just adding this canary yellow and darkening certain places on the retriever, definitely more close to the back and on the ears. I will also use the same yellow to shade darker places on the face, like right here on the nose, and to put an emphasis on his chin and the bottom of his lip. I will also do that around the eyes and on the top of his head. After I have that finished, I'm going to go in with the macaw, and that is just going to be blue, because duh. I love going to pet stores because I love to see the macaws and how pretty they are. I mean, I would never own one because I know that they are very loud and they need a lot of care, and I'm a very busy person, so I don't really get very much time to even spend with my own dog. So it would be kind of hard for me to care for such a pet that needs so much attention. But I'm just going to go in and I'm going to fill the under of him in with a little bit of green for like a little bit of an underbelly. And then I'm going to add green wings as well, and I'm going to shade those with And then the under of his wing will be darkened with the same blue, and so will the under of his belly. After that, I'm going to go in with the darker canary yellow we used, and I'm going to use that for his beak and for the very top half of his feet. And then I'm going to fill the rest in with graphite, but I'm going to darken that graphite to show the difference between the feet and the retriever's nose. And this is our retriever and our bird.